Murata's PTC thermistors are designed so that the resistance value increases rapidly once the temperature reaches a certain point. They can be used for temperature detection at a given temperature, or for suppressing abnormal currents. We recommend PRF series products to detect heat and prevent risk. They make it easy to perform threshold detection at a given temperature. PRG series products should be used for suppressing abnormal currents, as they can be used like resettable fuses. PRF series products can help prevent risk by detecting various conditions, such as parts becoming damaged by abnormal heat generation, product life being shortened when used under high temperatures, enclosures becoming deformed due to part malfunctions, or even injury caused by fire. For example, let's consider how to prevent malfunction by detecting abnormal heat generated by a PC. The key points for selecting a PRF series product are the detection temperature, detection accuracy, and mounting space. In this example, a PRF 15 series compact chip PTC thermistor would be ideal. You can check the Murata website for PRF 15 series product numbers and specifications. You can also use the SimSurfing PTC thermistor operation simulator to check output characteristics within a circuit layout. It is preferable to select an NTC thermistor that has temperature detection over a wide range. PRG series products can be used to protect circuits from risk, including terminal shorts caused by assembly errors, damaged parts caused by unforeseen accidents, and abnormal currents caused by improperly wired FA devices or other parts. For example, let's consider how to protect a transistor from a large current flowing to a servo motor PLC due to a malfunction in a connected sensor. The key points for selecting a thermistor are the abnormal current, applied voltage, and normal current. In this example, a PRG 18 series excessive current protection chip PTC thermistor would be ideal. You can check the Murata website for PRG 18 series product numbers and specifications. If you have any questions about selecting a thermistor, feel free to contact us on the Murata website. One of our specialists will help you to select the ideal product based on your requirements. Murata's PTC thermistors for temperature detection and current suppression help keep you safe and comfortable.